To reset the service reminder on this Volvo, what you need to do is first you put the key into the ignition and you turn it to position 1. Then you'll press and hold that button right there. While you do that, you turn the key to position 2. Then you wait for the information light to blink 2 times. In the meantime, you'll be holding that reset button. Once that light blinks twice, you can go ahead and turn off the ignition and check if that maintenance was already reset.